Hi everyone, Jack and Miso from英作文会話 community here again. And today we are talking about table manners in America. And I have a couple of do's and don'ts for you, so let's get into it. Alright, so first I want to start by looking at a couple of things that you should not do when you are eating in America. And the number one thing you should try not to do is make sound when you are eating. So the biggest example of this is when you are eating ramen in Japan, right? It's very common to make noise when you eat, right? But in America, this is very, very rude. And even if you're eating Japanese food, Americans will be shocked that you are making noise. So, if possible, you should avoid making any noise at all when you are eating. Alright, and the second thing you should avoid doing is picking up your plate when you eat. It's considered very rude in America to pick up the plate. You should leave it on the table. But if you're eating Japanese food or Chinese food or food from a country where it is normal to pick up your plate, then it is okay. This is no problem. But if you're eating Western food, you should not pick up your plate. Alright, now let's talk about a couple things you should do. So, the first thing is your napkin. What should you do with this? In America, you should put this on your lap, on top of your legs, in case something falls while you are eating. This is not super important. If you're going to McDonald's, then it's very normal not to do this. But if you're going to a nicer restaurant, you will probably notice that everyone does this when they eat. So you should too. And the last thing you should do is when you are going to someone's house for dinner and they are cooking dinner, it is polite that you bring one dish with you. And dessert is very common. So sometime before the dinner, it's polite to say, oh, we will bring dessert. Or we will bring this dish, some side that maybe you are good at cooking, to contribute to the dinner. But that's all for this video. If you want to practice your English more, you can sign up for private lessons with me at英作文会話.com. Your first lesson is half off, so give it a shot. But that's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.